We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Vicky. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. So excuse my voice, I'm down with a cold, but I still had to make this video because I'm happy. Christmas is a period to be happy, to share love with your friends, your family, and your loved ones. So it's Christmas morning and we are about to open the Christmas gift that we got for ourselves for Christmas. So I'm just going to be removing all the gifts that I left under the tree. So I'm going to be sharing it. No, after parceling the gift, I put everyone's name on the gift, on the little presents that Mama got for them. So I put everyone's name on it. So they are just going to be sorting out the gift. And the ones for the kids, I had to sort it out because they are still really small, 2 years, 3 years. They might not be able to see their names on the gift. So that's why I had to sort it out for all of them. So this is me. I was super excited. I was happy because it's holidays and everyone is at home. It's a very beautiful period to spend with your family and your loved ones. So I was still trying to sort out the gifts one after the other before bringing it out. The presents were so many. I bought some presents. My sister bought as well. So yeah, the first present was for Ella Rosie. So I opened it for her and she loves her gift. There's another one. It's a pair of shoes for her. Our little princess had so many gifts, more than any other person. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Excuse my voice and wish me a quick recovery, guys. I'm down with a cold. I had grief throughout this period of Christmas. I was at home, but I was still happy, so that was my gift. They had no time. My husband didn't have time to parcel it. It's a beautiful pair of shoes from Skechers. It's a Belgian designers. I've always loved their shoes. I just stumbled on the shop and I checked some shoes online and I wanted to go to the shop to purchase one for myself, but because of time constraints, I didn't have time to go back to the shop. So hubby knew just what I wanted, and when he asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I was still contemplating and didn't really know what to ask. So I just told him, buy anything nice for me. And since he knows I've been admiring these shoes, it's Belgian design. I've seen very beautiful reviews about their shoes. That is super soft and comfortable. And when I wore it, trust me guys, the shoes are so comfortable. And it's a pair of winter shoes. It's really warm on the inside. And I love the beautiful color brown because it matches with one of my brown jackets. So this guy kind of really know what I like, what I need. So when I saw it, I was very happy. I don't know how he managed to, with the help of my sister, stop the pack at it behind the Christmas tree. I didn't see it, so I was in my mind. I was like, so that he didn't buy anything with me. Okay, oh, it's too early. Let me not be angry. So sometimes you just have to be patient in life and don't get worked up for nothing. So I said, if he didn't buy anything for me, it's fine. He always get gifts for me on birthdays, Christmas, all the special holidays. He always makes sure he buys something nice for me. So I was really happy when I got my pair of shoes. and I've been rocking it since then, guys. Like, I think I wore it the next day when I had to quickly pick some things outside. So guys, let's go. As you keep unboxing, it's always not easy to film. So that's my son collecting his gift. He was looking at his phone because watching Cocomelon. So I had to open it for him. I think I did a review about our pyjama sets. It was bought from Temu. They are beautiful, but I think the ones for the kids are more comfy and they are really warm. So this is us unboxing. The presents don't have to be very expensive. It's the intention that matters. Make sure you do these little things for your kids. They keep nice memory. So my children, they are boys. They love playing with cars a lot, and they have a lot of cars. So I just bought small cars for them, so to add to their car collection, so to say. Okay, guys. I don't want to make this video to be very long. How was your Christmas? Did you enjoy Christmas with your family? So it's Tema wear that I got from Temu for the kids. The quality was very good. It was really warm. So that's another present. We just got them small presents. I bought. Their aunties bought gifts for them as well. Papa bought. So the presents were really many. And don't mind my Christmas tree, guys. These kids with all these little humans at home, they plucked off all the balls and other decorations from the tree. So I decided not to bother. They are still really small to understand these things. So if you're a mama, do you go through the same problem, or am I the only one? Leave it in the comment section down below. So this is me looking at Rosie's gift. It's a Tema wear for this season since it's cold. Look at that, it's very beautiful and it's cotton and feels very warm and has very beautiful fabrics. I was just unboxing the gift that we got for our kids since they are too small and can't really open their parcels. See me, I was tired already. So this is another gift for my little princess. She had a lot of gifts, guys. You know, the only princess among guys. We have to do something special for her. So I kept on unboxing the gift that I got from my family. So guys, how was your Christmas? Hope you spent an amazing time with your family. Compliments of the season to you and your family. And in this new year, I pray God will grant all the desires of your heart. We have to be thankful to God for making us see this new year. So guys, if you've watched up to this, see my princess, she was very happy with her gift. That's a doll set. You don't know, this is something very particular with the girl child. They always love babies, and when I'm at home with her, you will see her trying to feed her little doll. She will try to feed, put her pampers, and clean her nose, telling me the baby's nose is dirty. So I guess this is when they learn to be mothers at this early stage. So that is why women, mothers are very caring, because I guess they learn it from a very tender age. So I went to unboxing and opening the gifts, and that's another one for my princess. She was very happy. She was very excited. I'm sure she had the best holidays ever. So guys, the unboxing process is still ongoing. So many things to be opened, so many packets. Now wow. So if you watch up to this again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome to this channel. We create family content, a lot of cooking videos, travel vlogs. So if this is what you're interested in seeing, please click the red subscribe button and join this beautiful family. If you're my returning subscriber, you're someone who's always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you so much. And Mama God, that's a gift that my sister got for me, is to straighten my waist and push my pot belly inside, if you know what I mean. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. I appreciate you for every view, every like, every time you comment on our videos. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. So I still went on with the unboxing. That's another tema way, is leggings for the winter. So I went ahead and kept on unboxing, and after unboxing it was time to dance and just have fun. Okay, so that's my baby sis. She was about to unbox her own gift. So here I was done unboxing for the kids, opening their things. So now it's time for elders to open their presents, guys. So my sister, this one, she's a little dramatic, always happy, always having these positive vibes. So that's her own present. She got a pretty little handbag and she likes it. It was in her favorite color. So that's her own gift. That's what she got for Christmas. So don't forget to always make this period special for your family and your loved ones. Get them those little presents. You don't have to break the bank to make someone smile. It's the intention that matters. Make sure you get them little presents for Christmas, for their birthdays. It's very important. So since both of us are fighting weight, we got the same present for Christmas, with trainer, and that one is for Papa. I'm going to keep it aside. He will unbox his present by himself. So those are the gifts for him, and this one is for my little sis. She's about to unbox her own Christmas presents. She's already happy, and without knowing what was in the box, smiling. Okay. She got a pretty handbag as well. It's so beautiful. I guess she loves her gift very much. So that's her handbag, little clutches bag. Okay, for little outings in the color brown. And she loves it. She was very happy. You can see her all smiling. She's always smiling. Always having this pretty and positive vibes around her. So Christmas was good and everyone was happy. So this is my husband unboxing his own present. We kind of pranked him. We put his present in Christmas light box. So when he opened, it was a surprise. And that's his gift. He's very happy. He loves. Yeah, he got a pair of watch. Yeah, he deserves it. And he really likes his present. So thank you for watching. Bye and see you in our next video. Bye.